big tough dog. You got, oh, you're such a big baby. So funny. Oh, got a kitten on your back there, Lil. There, that better. Tiger, you're taking care of Lily. You're just too funny. You're too much. Huh, Lily? You under there? You got a big tough kitten taking care of ya. Hi, Tiger. Roar. You are the sappiest dog alive. Oh, goodness. How many big dogs have their own kitten to clean up after them? Oh, funny. What? What are you looking at me for? And you got your own little dog. Got your own little kitten. Tiger. Hi, Tiger.